Okay, we are in Des Moines right now, and here we are at this hotel. Here we have a Lennox ductless unit. It's a heat pump. I think it's a 2-ton. Not sure what year it's from. And then there's another unit over here. And then there's some air conditioners right here. Heat tank, I think. This one's running. And then here we have another unit. This is a carrier. Never seen one like this before. (2014) 3-ton. This one's a central air conditioner. It's not a heat pump, unfortunately. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.